Incwadi Psalms 46 verse 10, be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. Ngicela ukubambelela amazwi engicela ukukhuluma nawe namhlanje as you are starting your day. Kwesinye isikhathi when God is silent, it does not mean ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasekho. Kwesinye isikhathi uyathula kube sengathi akekho kanti uNkulunkulu ukhona. Ngakho you need to be still and know that he is God even if you feel as if he is silent. Ngoba kwezinye insuku nakwezinye ikhathi ube uNkulunkulu ethule as if akekho kanti ukhona. Namhlanje I just want to remind ukuthi when God is silent, it does not mean he is absent. Ukhona noma ngabonakala ngathi uthule ngaleso sikhathi kodwa usuke ekhona. Kwesinye isikhathi sidlule imene eziningi, sikhuleke enkosini kubonakala ngathi inkosi ayikho, kubonakala ngathi inkosi ayizwa. Cela ukutshela ukuthi noma ngaba silent, it does not mean he is absent. Ukhona noma kubonakala sengathi uthule. When God is silent, it does not mean ukuthi he has forsaken you. When God is silent, he is busy working things behind the scenes. He is busy orchestrating your victory behind the scenes. He is busy stepping things up for you. Ngemumva ngabonakala ngathi uthule kanti akathule, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ubonakala ngathi uthule kanti khona izinto akayisebenzayo nakayilungisayo, ungaboni ukuthi khona izinto akazenzayo uNkulunkulu. Ma ethule hayi ngoba usuke engekho, usuke khona esebenza izinto ezithile, uke wathula ngelinye ilanga uNkulunkulu kanti hayi ngoba engekho ukhona kodwa khona izinto akayisebenzayo ngemumva. Futhi ma ubone ngathi uthula uNkulunkulu usuke efuna ukuvela ngamandla ebonakala ngendlela emangalisayo, hayi ngoba esuke engekho. Uthomunye namhlanje ngibona sengathi uNkulunkulu akangizwa, ngibona sengathi uNkulunkulu ungishiyile. Ukhona kuukuthi khona izinto akayilungisayo behind the scenes. Uzobona mayisevela ukuthi kanti hayi ngoba bengekho uNkulunkulu ebekhona, ngoba uma ngingathiwa akasekho kuNkulunkulu ngabe awuphili ngisho nokuphila. The fact that you are still standing, the fact that you are still alive, that is a sign ukuthi usekhona noma engathula kwesikhashana, ngoba khona izinto akayilungisayo empilweni yakho. He silent does not mean he is absent. Ukhona and khona uNkulunkulu akakwenzayo, and mayizokwenza izinto ezinkulu ubonakala sengathi uyathula ukuze vele ngamandla. Manje ke you need to have faith noma ubonakala sengathi uthule, ngoba uNkulunkulu wethu uthi be still and know that I am God. Noma ngaba seyikhathini ezinzima ubone sengathi akakuphenduli, be still and know that he is God. uNkulunkulu noma ubone sengathi akekho, ukhona. Igama lakhe omnipresent, he is present everywhere. uNkulunkulu khona eindaweni zonke ngesikhathi esisodwa nakweyakho impilo ukhona. He is just silent but he is present, and mayisevela uzobona ukuthi akusiwena odlulise lapha yana kodwa udluliswe ngamandla kaNkulunkulu. I am Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.